but I lost her. She got too close, so far, and now I'm lost in the world, trying to find me a better way. Wishing I was.
Beth, you're so good! You guys are all so good! She's gonna get
Mind on a permanent vacation. The ocean is my only medication. Wishing my condition ain't ever gonna go away.
Now I'm knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair.
Oh, okay. Shit! Okay, so you're on the news and you're forecasting what are you doing? Back topic! Back topic!
I'm all about fun and games. Come on, people.
One day you could be as lost as me.
Change your geography.